This motorhome is not designed to blend in, and it never tries to. From the moment it appears on the road, its presence is unmistakable, low, aerodynamic, and sculpted like a concept vehicle rather than a traditional RV. The exterior flows in smooth silver surfaces contrasted by deep black glass panels that wrap around the body, giving it a futuristic, almost aerospace-inspired identity. Every curve is intentional, reducing visual bulk while enhancing performance and efficiency. Thin golden light accents trace along the edges at night, subtly outlining the vehicle's form without excess drama, creating a calm but powerful visual signature. This is a motorhome built not just for travel, but for arrival, designed to look advanced, refined, and confidently different whether parked roadside or cruising through open highways. Stepping inside, the transition feels seamless rather than dramatic. The interior continues the same silver, gray, and black language, creating a cohesive environment that feels engineered rather than decorated. The lounge area immediately sets the tone, offering a compact yet comfortable social space that avoids the clichés of oversized sofas or wasted floor area. Sculpted seating wraps gently around the space, integrated directly into the walls so that nothing feels added on. A single low matte black table anchors the seating, topped with a subtle sunflower vase that introduces a controlled organic contrast. Black tinted panoramic windows line the side, bringing in natural light without breaking privacy, while golden ambient lighting follows the curves of the walls and ceiling, creating a warm glow that softens the metallic finishes without overpowering them. Moving from the lounge into the private zone, the bedroom establishes a calmer, more intimate atmosphere while maintaining the same refined design language. The bed is unmistakably a real bed, rounded, low profile, and inviting, upholstered in cool gray fabric and supported by a slim matte black base. Soft golden lighting glows from within and beneath the bed, creating a floating effect that feels subtle rather than dramatic. Storage panels surround the space completely, ensuring no wall is left unused. A black-tinted panoramic window frames the outside landscape, allowing the environment to shift naturally as the motorhome moves, while the overall mood remains quiet, balanced, and deeply functional. Adjacent to the bedroom, the dressing area feels seamlessly integrated rather than separated. Full-height wardrobes line the walls in brushed silver, accented with black glass details and recessed matte black handles. Inside, the space is carefully organized for hanging clothes, folded garments, and accessories, all softly illuminated with golden lighting for clarity and warmth. A full-height mirror is integrated directly into the wardrobe door, while a slim built-in bench in cool gray upholstery offers comfort without consuming valuable space. The dressing area feels purposeful, efficient, and premium, designed for daily use, not visual excess. Continuing forward, the kitchen and dining area reflects precision and efficiency. Brushed silver cabinetry and matte black countertops flow together seamlessly, hiding appliances and storage behind clean, uninterrupted surfaces. The dining setup is compact and intentional, built directly into the structure of the motorhome rather than added as furniture. Seating is supportive and minimal, upholstered in cool gray tones, while the table remains understated and practical. Golden lighting beneath cabinets and along ceiling seams ensures the space remains welcoming and functional, whether preparing a quick meal or settling in for longer stays. The office workspace integrates productivity into the motorhome's rhythm without isolating it from the rest of the interior. A curved matte black desk is built directly into the wall, providing a focused workspace without excess depth. A slim laptop, mouse, neatly stacked books, a ceramic mug, and a minimal white flower vase add life and realism while maintaining order. Storage niches surround the area, eliminating clutter and reinforcing the sense that every element has a defined place. Lighting remains golden and indirect, supporting concentration without glare. The bathroom reinforces clarity and realism. It is unmistakably a bathroom, compact but complete. A wall-mounted toilet, integrated sink and vanity, frameless mirror with golden backlighting, and a curved glass shower enclosure are arranged in a tightly organized layout. Materials remain consistent, brushed silver walls, matte black fixtures, dark gray flooring, while the lighting enhances visibility without losing atmosphere. Every inch is functional, proving that compact spaces can still feel composed and comfortable. Beyond the essentials, the motorhome introduces a compact mini pool spa that redefines mobile wellness. This is a true mini indoor pool, not a bathtub or oversized luxury feature. Water sits visibly within a recessed rectangular basin, illuminated from beneath by soft golden light that reflects gently across the surface. The surrounding walls curve inward, creating an enclosed, immersive environment that feels cool, calm, and futuristic. The scale is intimate and realistic, turning a small space into a distinctive experience. The gym area follows the same disciplined approach. Instead of overcrowding the space, it focuses on three essentials: a compact treadmill, a stationary bike, and a neatly stored set of dumbbells. Equipment is positioned tightly against the walls, leaving just enough room for movement. A dark-tinted mirror enhances spatial awareness, while rubberized flooring ensures safety and durability. Golden lighting adds energy without distraction, supporting daily routines without excess. Passenger seating is designed for comfort during travel while remaining visually distinct from the cockpit. Sculpted seats with integrated headrests and armrests provide a premium feel, upholstered in cool gray materials and mounted on slim matte black bases. Panoramic windows maintain a connection to the outside world, while ambient lighting reinforces continuity with the rest of the interior. The space feels calm, secure, and intentionally separated from the driving environment. The cockpit itself serves as the command center of the motorhome. The dashboard wraps around the driver in brushed silver and black glass, housing digital displays that feel intuitive and controlled. Physical controls are minimal and precisely placed, supporting long-distance comfort and ease of use. A panoramic windshield opens the road ahead without visual clutter, while subtle golden accent lighting traces the dashboard contours, reinforcing the futuristic identity without compromising focus. In terms of pricing, this motorhome is positioned as a premium, limited production vehicle created for those who value design, engineering, and experience over excess. Pricing reflects the craftsmanship, technology, and customization involved, starting in the high luxury segment and scaling based on configuration and interior options. This is not a mass-market RV, it is a considered investment in lifestyle and mobility. If you're looking for a motorhome that goes beyond travel, one that becomes a personal environment, a moving sanctuary, and a statement of modern freedom, this is where the journey begins. Reach out today to explore configurations, availability, and take the first step toward redefining life on the road. And now the only question left is yours. Would you take control of this moving mansion like this, or would you rather sit back and enjoy the ride inside your own rolling luxury universe? Because in a machine like this, you're not just traveling, you're making the world turn its head every mile you pass. So tell me, if handed the keys today, where's the very first place you'd fly on wheels? If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, subscribe for more.